Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we demystify the tools that make creator life easier. If you have ever stared at a 40-minute video file thinking, man, I really need 10 snackable clips from this, but I simply do not have the time to edit, then today's video is absolutely for you. We are diving deep into Vizard, an incredible AI-powered platform that literally turns long-form content into ready-to-post short clips in just a few clicks. Think of this tool as the ultimate autopilot for your social media growth, helping you maintain a presence without burning yourself out. I personally use it all the time to chop up my interviews, webinars, and live streams into viral-sized pieces that actually perform well. In this full walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it can and cannot do, and why it might just become your new secret weapon for consistent posting. All right, let us start with the basics of getting set up. Simply open your browser, search for the tool, and click the top result to land on a clean, inviting homepage designed for creators. You will see a bold line about turning long videos into short clips and a big, clear call to action to try it for free. Click that button, sign up with your preferred account, and you will be inside the dashboard in under a minute. Once you are inside, the dashboard is where the real magic happens. It is laid out very intuitively. On the left, you have your assets, your current projects, and a calendar section for managing scheduled posts. The middle of the screen highlights your recent projects and gives you one big, obvious button to upload a new video. It is incredibly straightforward, with absolutely no clutter to distract you from your work. Now, let us dive into the 3 core features that make this tool so powerful. First up is the auto-editing feature, which is the bread and butter of the entire system. When you upload a long video, like a 40-minute podcast, the AI analyzes it to find the most engaging moments like strong statements and emotional beats. The system highlights potential clips and even suggests the start and end points for you, so you do not have to scrub through hours of footage. You can preview these suggestions, tweak the cuts, add auto-generated captions, and choose templates for different platforms like TikTok or Reels. I tried this with a long interview and it surfaced 12 high-quality clips in just 2 minutes, which would have taken hours to do manually. Pro tip, the tool also provides hook suggestions, which are short, punchy lines that act as a great opener for your clips. Use those because they often drastically boost your viewers' watch time right from the first second. The second core feature is the auto-schedule capability because you do not want to spend your life babysitting the posting process. Simply pick how often you want your content to go out, and the system will queue and post them exactly according to your settings. You can map your social accounts like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter directly and let the system handle the distribution loop entirely. This is perfect for creators who have evergreen content that just needs consistent, daily resurfacing to reach new people. Third, we have the content calendar, which is where everything finally comes together into a cohesive strategy. You can easily see your scheduled posts, drag and drop clips to reschedule them, and edit captions right there on the fly. If you manage multiple shows or channels, this view is basically like having your own tiny social media team working inside one dashboard. Now, let us walk through a real-world example so that this feels truly tangible and applicable to your needs. I uploaded a 45-minute panel discussion, and it instantly presented me with 18 different clip suggestions to work with. I clicked into the first one, which was a bold one-liner about growing a subscriber base, and the tool had already trimmed the start for me. I simply selected a vertical template so the aspect ratio was perfect for a reel and hit the button to add it to my queue. While I went to make a cup of coffee, the queue was building up, which is exactly the kind of efficiency we want. One thing people often ask about is the quality of the auto-generated captions, and I can tell you they are surprisingly good. You can always edit them if needed, and the thumbnail auto-select is also quite useful for quickly finding a frame with a clear expression. Let us compare this tool to others because you really need to understand the trade-offs before you commit to a platform. Tools like Descript are amazing for deep audio editing, and Runway is powerful for generative features, but neither focuses on long to short automation like this one. CapCut is great for manual editing, but the key difference is that this platform finds the viral moments for you automatically. It is not a full replacement for high-end cinematic editing or complex visual effects, but for social output consistency, it is absolutely the winner. The pricing also matters, and there is usually a free tier available so you can test it with a couple of uploads to see if you like the workflow. The paid tiers unlock more uploads and priority processing, but the structure is creator-friendly, which I appreciate. Here are a few workflow tips that actually work. Always upload the highest quality source file that you have available. If your video has chapters or specific podcast segments, adding those markers before you upload helps the AI make much smarter decisions. You should also schedule a healthy mix of evergreen content and topical clips to keep your feed feeling fresh but consistent. For those with global audiences, the platform even supports multi-language captioning, which is a total game changer. I have seen this work great for podcasters, coaches, course creators, and even gamers turning streams into highlight reels. Let us do one last quick demo. I uploaded a 30-minute live stream and got 10 usable clips in under 10 minutes. I added a quick logo, outro, toggled on my captions, and had the whole batch scheduled across my platforms before I was done with my coffee. That level of time savings is honestly insane for anyone trying to build a brand solo. Before we wrap this up, I want to be honest. AI will not replace your creative decision-making skills. The software is brilliant at surfacing options, but you still need to pick the best thumbnails and check the nuances of the captions. It simply handles the grunt work so that you can focus on the bigger creative picture. So, should you try it? If you have long-form content and want to be consistent without hiring an expensive editor, then absolutely. Try the free tier, upload a single episode, and let the AI pull clips. I bet you will be surprised by how much time you save. All right, friends, that is the deep dive into Vizard, covering everything from sign-up to scheduling and the real-world utility. If you want to follow up, tell me what kind of videos you make in the comments below, and I will make a tailored guide just for you. I will read them all, and I promise to make a future video with real examples based on your specific questions. Until next time, keep creating and let the AI handle the heavy lifting for you. Peace out.